So beautiful, so magnificent. Oh, it's like looking into a gorgeous, gorgeous portrait. Oh, sorry. I hope you don't mind if I draw you. No, 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 no. I'm not trying to be a creep or anything, and I'm not trying to be weird, of course, but it's just seeing something like this, especially you. It's just breathtaking. Yeah, you're. Wow. No, no money is involved. It's for free. Well, I'm not doing any commissions at the moment, but you look beautiful. You don't have to do those silly poses, I hope you know. Just sit the way you were sitting and just pretend I'm not here. Or have an actual person stare at you, of course. Yeah, just stay like that. Oh, yeah, I usually do this sometimes as something to pass the time. I find nature and objects and people part of my hobby, and it's possibly a way of curiosity and art. I can say that. Of course, yes. I mean, yesterday I drew a whole trash can over there, right next to you. Um, I drew a bed of flowers just down the pathway of this place. Yeah, of course. I always come to this local park, of course, to just take in, you know, the the scenery, the ambiance. It's just something about it. It's just so quiet and peaceful. I mean, of course, there are people walking by. There are kids, animals running around. Uh, Yesterday I did not only the drawing of the trash can, but I actually did a drawing of a lovely couple um, having a picnic, and crazy coincidence, a man literally proposed to his what it looks to be his fiance. And damn, didn't she say yes? It's the most beautiful thing ever. And actually gave the drawing of that moment to them, and they kept it actually. The day after their wedding, they saw me in the park just sketching and drawing some butterflies, and they had it as an actual painting. Doesn't that sound great? Yeah, they actually had a painting of the drawing that I did, and now they have it forever. It's a powerful moment. And this moment right here with me and you seems very powerful. You just seem like a calm individual. Yes, I do enjoy calm individuals like you. And speaking of individual, I drew you. There you go. Hope you like it. Drawing is what I do. Drawing is what I love. It's something that I have great intrigue in things to. Oh, my name? My name is Sai. And yours? Nice to meet you. I hope we could bump into each other more often around this park. Well, I must be going. It was nice knowing you. Please stay safe and keep that drawing close to you very much. It's another memory of yours that you should keep. Farewell.